parallel circuits, some more problems we are doing here. The problem is the series and parallel circuits shown in figure. So this 14.34, they given the figures 14.34 A and B. This is the A and B figures. A is series equivalent and B is parallel equivalent. Here series is R and X and B is R1 X1. Here R1 and X1 both are in parallel. Now here what they are asking, so observe this one. The series and parallel circuit showing figure have the same impedances and the same power factor. Series and parallel both are same impedance and same power factor. If R is equal to 3 and X is equal to 4, find the value of R1 and X1. Also find the impedance and power factor. So see here, observe this one. So what they are asking, they are given the R and X value, asking parallel circuit R1 and X1. Condition is given, impedance and power factor is same. Impedance and power factor is same. So here Ys is equal to, that means the series admittance Y suffix S is equal to 1 by R plus JXS. That is equal to, here in denominator is rectangular form, so we will convert it to, so reactance in terms of resistance and reactances, or conductance and susceptances. So Ys is equal to 1 by R plus Jx, that is equal to R minus Jx divided by R square plus X square, that is equal to R by R square plus X square minus J X by R square plus X square. Here the conductance of the circuit is R by R square plus X square, and the susceptance is X by R square plus X square. So this is the series admittance. So now go for parallel circuit. Here parallel resistance R1 and X1 both are in parallel, so we have to determine the R1 and X1. So here parallel circuit Yp is equal to, here admittance of parallel circuit. Admittance of parallel circuit Yp is equal to 1 by R1 plus J0 plus 1 by here they given the equal to, that is the not correct. So here y is equal, so 1 by 0 plus j x1. So resultant yp is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by jx1, that is equal to 1 by r1 minus j by x1. Therefore, so here resultant yp is equal, that is nothing but r by r square plus x square minus j x by r square plus x square, that is nothing but 1 by r1 minus j by x1. So here the series admittance is equal to the parallel admittance. Here series admittance is equal to the parallel admittance. So from that equation, from that concept, so r by r square plus x square minus j x by r square plus x square, that is equal to 1 by r1 minus j by x1. So these are equals in series admittance and parallel admittances are equal. So r1 is equal to r1 is equal to r plus x square by r, and x1 is equal to x plus r square by x. Here by substituting of these values in the above equation, we get the r1 and x1. Here r is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. R is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. So here r1 is equal to r plus x square by r. Here r is given, r is 3, that is equal to r1 is equal to, therefore r1 is equal to 3 plus x square means 4 square, that means 16 by 3, which gives the 8.33 ohms. So here R1 is 8.33 ohms. Now x1 is equal to, so x1 is, what is the formula for x1? x1 is equal to x plus r square by x, that is nothing but x1 is equal to, so x is the 4, r is the 3, so 4 plus 3 square by 4, which gives the 6.25 ohms. Now the impedance is in series is 3 plus j4 and a phi angle of 53.1 degree, and power factor is cos 53.1 degree, that is equal to 0.6 lakh. 0.6 lakh. So this is the series and parallel circuit has same power factor and impedances of the circuit is determined. Now go for another problem. Here find the value of resistance and inductance L, which when connected in parallel will take the same current at the same power factor from 400 volts, 50 hertz, means as a coil resistance R1 is 8 ohms and L1 is equal to 0.2 henries from the same source of supply. Show that when the resistance R1 of the coil is small as compared to its inductance L1, then R and L are respectively equal to omega square L1 square by R1 and L1. So here they are asking find the value of resistance R and inductance which when connected in parallel it will take the same current at the same power factor. It will take the same current and same power factor when the supply voltage is 450 at supply. This is the question, and also they given R1 8 ohms, L is equal to 0.2 henries from the same source of supply. Show that when the resistance R1 of the coil is small. So here R1 is small compared to the inductance L1. Then R and L are respectively equal to what the here compared to inductance L1, and then R and L are respectively equal to, that means here R is equal to omega square L1 square by R1 and L is L1. So they are comparing. So see here in this circuit R1 X1 is in series circuit. So R and X are parallel circuit. R1 and X1 is series circuit. R and X are parallel circuit. So please observe this one. Please observe this one. As seen from R is equal to R1 plus X1 square by R1. X is equal to X1 plus R1 square by X1. So this is the parallel resistance and the parallel reactance in terms of the series circuit elements. So here R and X are parallel, R1 X1 is the series circuit elements.